welcome back to my channel. I just thought I would stop by today to tell you what I've been up to this last week. I have rejoined Stampin' Up. Now the reason I've rejoined Stampin' Up is because when I did it in the past, I did it as a hobbyist, so I was getting discount, that was it. And I stopped doing it because obviously I got a lot of products in and I wasn't crafting as much for some reason. But I decided now, yeah, you know what? Let's try and make a business out of it. So I've gone back to them because I like the continuity of their products. By that, what I mean is when I've bought paper products in the past, like your packs of cardstock from one company, when I've gone back to them, they might not have it in, they might have stopped making it, or the colour doesn't always match up to the colour that it was to start with. So with that, with Stampin' Up, I do like the fact that I can buy a pack of card now and I know that in 12 months time that colour is still going to be exactly the same as what it is now. And I do like that. That's something that I treasure in my craft, is that I can always go back and get matching inks, matching pens, matching cardstock, and it is all going to be the same colour. There's no differences on shades or anything like that. It is all the same colour. So that is my big reason why I choose Stampin' Up. I do like the quality of the products as well, obviously, and I do like getting a discount. Doesn't everybody? Anyway, so I thought today I would show you my starter kit, what I've got. Now this month, if you join up this month, you can join up with me as well actually. You do get extra money to spend on your starter kit. You pay £99 and get £130 worth of products. But for this month, you do get an extra £25. So in effect, you're paying £99 for your starter kit and they're then giving you the extra money. So you're getting £155 to spend in the catalogue. So I'll start showing you what I bought. I bought 4 stamp sets, which I was quite happy with because I really like them. The first one that I bought was this one, Grandma's House. I love these little images. I can't resist them. I just think they're so cute and they're simple. There's nothing fancy about them. Maybe it's because I'm a grandma and that I like it, but I definitely love these little images. All these other little greetings, you know, they're just a bonus to me, but it's the images that I bought it for. So I do like that one. I'll be playing with that one shortly, trust me. Pop that over there for a minute. The next one I have seen a lot of on Pinterest and things is Over the Moon. This one's just been used. I had to use it last night. I'm really sorry I did. It came on Tuesday, did this kit, and I've left it in the box until I could film. And then I filmed it last night, and for some reason, I accidentally deleted it. I don't know what happened, so I'm having to redo it. But I actually used some of this last night, and I used this little greeting here saying, "You're utterly fantastic," because it's coming to the end of the school year here in the UK, and my son will be leaving school for good this time. So he has a lot of carers and support workers in school. In fact, I've got to make 10 cards, 10 gifts, because he's been there 8 years, he's 19 and he's autistic, so I really do treasure the work his teachers do for him. But yeah, that stamp set has been used on the cards. Now, another stamp set that I got was in fact part of a kit, and it was Beautiful Day, and that was teamed with the punch. The tag punch, the new one. You can make tags in 3 different sizes, which is a blessing, but I actually bought it for the punch, but you were going to pay £22 for that, so you might as well pay the extra little bit and get the stamp set to go with it. And it's really quite versatile. You've got To the Happy Couple on your new home. They would fit on the smaller tag as a nice little banner type thing, or you've got Just a Little Something for You, Wishing You a Delightful Birthday. It covers quite a few things. So that was another kit that I got. I bought that as the bundle. There's quite a few bundles in that catalogue. You can see me spending a lot of money, I can tell you. I'll put them to one side for one moment. The next one I bought was also a bundle. It was in fact Daisy Lane. Now I have previously got the large punch for the daisies and a different daisy stamp, so I can use it with this. And with this I also got it as a bundle and got the punch. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, so that's fabulous, and it'll make some really nice arrangements, I think, on cards. So yeah, and I've got to be honest, I do like this font of the Smiling Friend. I think it's really nice, and it's really quite a versatile stamp set, so I will be using that one as well. I'll be having a right good player this weekend. I don't know why, but I've just not had time to... I have crafted, but not a great deal. I've been procrastinating, that's a good word. There you go, I've been procrastinating. Right, I did buy some cardstock because I'm running low on some anyway. I wanted cherry cobbler. I use this for my Christmas projects a lot of the time, so I got a new pack of that. I also bought the real red because this is another one that I use for Christmas, and I wanted to get some Christmas in July products done as such, or at least make up my samples for what I will be doing for later on in the year and what I will be selling at my Christmas fairs. So when you've got to make, like, I know I've got certain items where I can sell 50 to 100 of them, I need to get making, definitely. Another one I bought was the Highland Heather. I do like the colour of this. It's a really nice lilac shade. I'm really impressed with it. I do like lilac. It's a colour that I love. But in the past, like I say, when I've bought from other companies, I have tried to get a lilac and they've not been the right shade whatsoever. So then you end up with a great big fat pack of cardstock that you don't like the colour of. What is the point in that? At least with this, I can go back and buy more. And they're not massive packs. You get 24 sheets, but that's enough to be going on with. And, of course, you know, I can just go back and order 10 if I want to. But at least it is the shade that I want. They also do starter packs, you know, that have got, like, all the colours in and you get a couple of each sheet. That's a good way to try them all out. Just pointing that out. I also bought the ink pad to go with it. I haven't opened it, but I will be doing today. I've got lots of time today. Well, I'm saying I've got lots of time in between other things, but yeah, we will get to crafting today. The other card I bought was Balmy Blue. Isn't that a lovely blue? I really do like it. I don't know what I was expecting. I really don't, but I do like it. And I bought the ink pad to go with that. Now, I did buy one more item, and I have used it. And I put it down on my desk, and, well, if you could see my desk, you'd understand why I can't find it. It was the chalk marker, the Stampin' Up chalk marker. It is here, like I say, it is here on my desk, but I've got so much going on my desk that I've just sort of, like, thrown it all to one side, thought, oops, I'll film, you know, oops, sorry, I've just bumped it there, the tripod. I thought, right, no, just shove it all to one side, let's get this filmed and online, and let you see what I've got. So that's actually quite a lot of stuff, I think, for £150. They also include some catalogues and things with it as well. But yeah, it's well worth joining, even if you're just joining for the discount. It's, you know what I mean? It's, oh, don't love a discount when you're crafting. It's a bit of a no-brainer, really, isn't it? But anyway, so I'm just, yeah, I do love these cows. I think they're so cheeky and so cute. Anyway, I will leave it there for now, and I will come back in another day or two and I'll show you what I've been up to with them. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.